Welcome to Getting to Know Your Virtual Classroom. This video is for students who are taking their online class for the first time. But if you have taken online classes before, you can watch it just as a refresher. Okay, when you open your class site in Carmen Canvas, this is what you will see. You will see the home page, also called the front page, and to your left you will find a menu of options. These are links to different places on the website, and also to documents and to apps like chat and conferences. It also gives you the title of the course, the section, and the name of the instructor. Now remember that this website works like a website. So if you go to the syllabus, you will find a link to your syllabus and you can download it from here. You just click here and you will download your syllabus. Or if you want to see a preview of the syllabus, you just click on the little camera and you will see a little section of the syllabus, so you have an idea of what is in it. Another important section in this page is technology. It will tell you the required hardware and software, okay? And also who you have to contact when you have a problem, who should be your tech support. If you have problems in Carmen, here is where you have to go. If you have problems with my lab or you have problems with Talk Abroad, it will give you the information of the support, of the tech support. Remember, your instructor is not an IT person. You can email me and I will be glad to know that you're having this problem, but I cannot solve it. You need to talk to someone who knows a lot about computers, who is an IT professional, and this is the information. Okay, when you click on modules on your menu, this is what you will see. You will see the first thing you will see is the course e-classroom, and we're going to talk a little bit later about the course e-classroom. And then you will see a series of activities that you have to do before you start your course. And you see here, comienza aquí, begins here. It's telling you this is where you're going to start your course, and you're gonna see a video of your instructor introducing himself or herself. You have to take a syllabus quiz and an online readiness quiz, and you have to register in my lab, and you have to register in Duolingo, and all that information is inside these sections, okay? Now, the course per se begins here in module number 1, en módulo de la semana número 1, okay? You can see here what you're going to study on that week. Okay, you can see módulo de semana 1, módulo de semana 2, módulo de semana 3, módulo de semana 4, and will continue until your last week of class. And in each one you will find information about what you have to do and what you have to study during that week. Now, when you click in a module, like this is module 1, módulo 1, and it's about chapter number 9, primera parte, first part, you will see 3 tabs, okay? El libro de texto, más allá del texto, opcional, extra. You should check every week the 3 tabs, because in each one of these tabs you will see different information. Sometimes you won't see anything in optional or extra because there's nothing extra assigned. But always check el libro de texto and más allá del texto. Okay, if you scroll down this page, you will always see a video of your instructor explaining to you what we're going to study on that week, and that's here. And you can also see like an overview of the week. I usually in these messages remind students of important things that are going on during that week, or optional activities that I added to the modules, or assignments that are important to remember, like the video log number 1 or the live chat number 3. Remember to do it. So always check this first tab. Okay, if you keep scrolling down, you will see the assignments you have to do, okay, and the due date, okay, la fecha final, to finish them, okay. Here in Más allá del texto, we have the announcement that you should record your first video log. Preséntate. If you don't check this, you won't know that you have to do this. I usually send also emails, but it is important that you get used to check your class website, because if not, you will be receiving emails every day reminding you of everything you have to do. It is easier and better for you and for me that you go to the module and you check everything that is assigned, okay? Okay. In this example, we have some actividades opcionales, optional activities, in the section of opcional extra, and it will tell you, well, there's extra practice activities in my lab for por y para and for adverbs, and you can do them if you want to. If you don't, you don't have to. This is optional. This is extra practice for those of you that are having problems with this particular grammatical topic. Okay, the course e-classroom is a Q&A forum. Is a place where you're going to post questions that you have. It is much better to post questions in the course e-classroom, so all the students benefit from that. That doesn't mean you cannot email me. Of course you can email me, especially if the questions are personal questions or things you don't want other students to know. But questions about grammar or questions about an assignment are better in the course e-classroom, and I check the course e-classroom every day. Also, there will be announcements if there's any change or something that I want you to know that is important about the e-classroom or about the course. I will post it in the e-classroom. This is an example, okay, of a student who posted a question here, and this is an example of an announcement that I posted last semester, which included a video of myself giving feedback to my class, to my online class, about the results of quiz number 2, prueba número 2. Okay, another important section of your class website is assignments, okay? And in assignments, you will see a list of all the assignments you have to do for this class. Some of the assignments you will click and you just will find instructions. Others will require that you upload documents or videos, and that's really easy to do. Okay, some assignments will require that you upload a document to Carmen, and it's very easy. You just click on submit assignment, and then a little rectangle that says choose file will appear, and you will choose the file from your computer and click OK, and that's it. Okay. Okay, this is an example of what I said, that in this class website you will have a lot of links, and you can click and you can see, for example, a preview of a document or a preview of a video. And if you find that you click a link and it doesn't work, you should tell me, because that is my responsibility to fix that. In that case, if you click on a link and it doesn't work, you should email me and let me know so I can fix it. Okay, another, this is the course chat, and the course chat is an app, and it's in your menu. You see here chat, and you can use it to talk to members of your group, or to talk about any topic you want to talk. And just remember to be respectful to your classmates, and to discuss topics that are either related to the class, or are topics proper to an academic environment. It is really actually useful when you are working in groups. You can decide, well, we're gonna meet in the course chat to discuss the first live chat, and you can all meet there at the same time, and you can talk to each other. Okay. Okay, another app in your online classroom is conferences, and we're going to use conferences mostly for two things. The first one is office hours. You can ask for an appointment, and we can either chat, or we can video chat, or I can assign 1 hour of the week, and I will be online during that hour, and you can get into the classroom. Okay, this is an example of, I just created this. It doesn't make any sense. It's just a title, and you will see this, and you will receive an invitation to the conference. And I'm the first person who gets into the conference. I click on a start, and immediately it changes from a start to join. It becomes a red button that says join, and when you're ready to join the conference, you just click on it, and you will be inside the virtual classroom. Okay, another space in your class website is announcements, and I wish that you check announcements too. I usually write announcements when I think it's really, really important, and I already have written one about Duolingo. So you just check every day on announcements to see if there's anything new, if there's any change in requirements of the class, or in the way we're going to do an assignment. Just click on announcements, and you will see a list of all the announcements. Okay. Okay. Remember, if you have any questions, post them in the e-classroom, or you can send them to me, to my email. I recommend that you post in the e-classroom, but if you feel more comfortable, or it's something that you consider that is personal, of course you should send it to me, to my email. Okay, I hope this short video helps you, and let me know if you have any questions.